How to make $10,000 in 1 year investing. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Money Talks. Today, we're going to be talking about investing. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. In this video, I'm going to share some of my top tips for investing. I'll also talk about different types of investments and how to choose the right ones for you. If you're new to investing, or if you're looking to learn more about investing, be sure to watch this video until the end. I'll be sharing some actionable tips that you can start using today. Investing is the process of putting your money into something with the expectation of generating a profit. There are many different ways to invest, and the best approach for you will depend on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. Here are some of the most common types of investments. Stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you are buying a piece of that company. If the company does well, the value of your stock will go up. However, if the company does poorly, the value of your stock could go down. Real estate. Real estate can be a great way to invest for the long term. As the population grows and land becomes more scarce, the value of real estate is likely to increase over time. However, real estate is also a relatively illiquid investment, meaning that it can be difficult to sell quickly if you need to. Commodities. Commodities are raw materials such as oil, gas, and gold. Commodities can be a good investment for investors who are looking to hedge against inflation or diversify their portfolios. However, commodities can also be volatile investments, and their prices can fluctuate significantly. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are a relatively new and volatile asset class, but they have the potential to generate high returns for investors who are willing to take on risk. Private equity. Private equity is a type of investment where you invest in companies that are not publicly traded. Private equity can be a good way to invest in early-stage companies with high growth potential. However, private equity is also a riskier investment as there is less liquidity and transparency than with publicly traded companies. It's important to note that this is not an exhaustive list of all possible investments. There are many other types of investments available, and the best approach for you will depend on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. It's also important to remember that all investments carry some degree of risk. You should never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Before you start investing, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and there is always the potential to lose money. However, if you are willing to invest for the long term and take on some risk, investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Here are some tips for getting started with investing. Set investment goals. What are you saving for? Retirement? A down payment on a house? A child's education? Once you know what you're saving for, you can start to create an investment plan. Choose the right investments for you. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals when choosing investments. If you're not sure where to start, talk to a financial advisor. Start small. You don't need to have a lot of money to start investing. Even a small amount of money can grow over time. Invest regularly. The best way to invest is to invest regularly, such as each month or paycheck. This will help you to average out your costs and reduce your risk. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. However, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before you start investing. By following these tips, you can get started on the right foot. Here are some additional tips for investing. Don't try to time the market. It's impossible to predict when the stock market will go up or down. Trying to time the market is a recipe for disaster. Instead, focus on investing for the long term. Be patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to see results. Don't get discouraged if your investments don't perform well overnight. Investing can be a great way to reach your financial goals and achieve your dreams. However, it's important to remember that investing is not without risk. It's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before you start investing. If you're not sure where to start, talk to a financial advisor. They can help you to create an investment plan that is tailored to your individual needs and goals. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more investing tips and videos. And until next time, Happy investing!